Hello students, this is Asutosh. Today I will teach you the first chapter of the first unit. The unit name is, first of all, this video is for class 5. The unit name is Growing Up and the chapter name is Monday Morning Blues. So students, let's start this video. First of all, I will give you meaning of Monday morning blues. Monday is the day and morning is the part of day. And blues means sadness, some sadness feeling. That means we all know that the Sunday is a holiday for all of us. After Sunday, Monday is the first or next day of the week. Onwards the day we have to do as usual work for whole week. So morning of the Monday is terrible for us. So I think Mark Twain, who is writer of this chapter, because Monday Morning Blues is written by Mark Twain. So Mark Twain had kept this title for this story. Now, the main characters of this story are Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer is a boy who is the main character of this story. Sid is a boy. Aunt Polly. Polly is a lady who is auntie of Tom Sawyer and Sid. Mary is also a lady who came with Aunt Polly in this story, in the mid of the story. A student, here I will give you a short summary of this story. Monday Morning Blues. Here, Tom Sawyer was an orphan boy. He lived with his Aunt Polly. Tom was very lazy boy. He was more miserable or very sad on Monday morning because onwards Monday morning he had to go to school as usual for whole day in the week. So most of time Tom started to find some excuse, therefore he had not to go to school and he could go to fishing. But now he was failed to find any excuse, any symptoms for excuse for fake illness, but hardly he found a loose tooth. But he decided that he could not use an excuse at this time, because when it was used an excuse, Aunt Polly came and she would pull out, or that is very hurt me, terrible for me. Now he thought other an excuse. To lose a finger means falling off a toy, and started to groan. He shook Sid. He shook Sid, who lay in the next bed, and groaned louder. Groan means making noise in pain. Sid, wake up, and to stare at Tom. When Sid wake up and to stare at Tom, he asked to Tom, "What's going on?" First, Tom was not saying anything, but on force, Sid, but on the force of Sid, Tom said, "I am dying due to falling off toy." After this listening, Sid ran and went to Aunt Polly and said, "Tom is dying." After this listening, Aunt Polly and Lady Mary came with Sid near Tom. Aunt Polly asked to Tom, "What's the matter, Tom? Why are you crying?" Tom again said, I was dying. I am dying due to falling off toy." After listening that, first Tom was very cried on Tom. She said to Tom, "You really did frighten me. Stop this nonsense excuse and get out of your bed." Now Tom understood his foolish excuse was caught. Then he said, "Auntie, my toy really, the toy hurt me so much and I wasn't worried to teeth at all." Now Auntie Paul understood he had some problem in the tooth. So she checked the tooth and said, "Yes, you had some problem in the tooth, but due to this, you was not dying." She took a thread from Mary and she took a thread from Mary, who already came with Aunt Polly. Then suddenly Tom cried, "Don't pull it out. I don't want to stay home from school." Now Aunt Polly understood clearly Tom made excuse why Tom made excuse because he wanted to go to school. She said, that means Aunt Polly said, "I love you so much, but I am very unhappy with you. You broke my old heart with your this act." Finally, Aunt Polly seized the tooth with the help of thread and dental instrument. Students, what is the lesson for us in this chapter, Monday Morning Blues? We should do all tasks in time. So, then Monday morning is not for us blues, it comes for us happiness. So, students, this chapter is finished. Now you can do exercise of this chapter. Next video we will discuss the exercise, the questions of this exercise. So thank you very much.